tripod.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Make sure there's no glare off my glasses. Or
Up here on your head isn't in the picture.
It's not in the picture?
No, your entire head is, Mom, but not.
Really?
Yeah. It wasn't completely.
oh,
It's
it's on video. It zooms in.
Oh. So when I was
It's
looking
like-
at it earlier, it was the whole...
What? It
A little bit
was-
of glare.
it was like
All right,
that.
let's try it.
Try again.
That's better.
Got my whole head.
Yeah.
All right, go back over there.
And
Hit about an inch above.
Into? Yeah, we do.
Go ahead.
All right, so everybody that's been watching our Instagram story knows that said there's something big today. Told you to come back, check it out. So we want to show you what we got. It's kind of a big deal. So
Emily, you want to bring it to us?
really,
I thought she already had grabbed.
what'd you do? I don't think anybody can hear you.
I dropped the box.
All right. You know what's in it? Can you afford to fix it? You might have broke it. I think you broke it. Not. So we got our new camera, so no more cutting the top of my head off, just looking at my beard in the videos. I don't think we're going to use it on you though, we don't want it breaking yet.
Oh.
Ha ha
You don't like being videos anyways,
If I don't, why would I be right here?
because we told you to.
No, because I asked if I could.
So anyways, a lot more videos coming. They're going to look a lot better, they're going to sound a lot better. It's going to be good content, and we hope you stick around and watch and subscribe, like, share with your friends. Hopefully we'll provide a lot of stuff that you'd like to see. Anything you want to say? No?
No. Not this time.
Do lots of chickens, lots of gardens, all kinds of stuff. So appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Now, both hands.
She's only using one.